Hey website developers, Jack Wallen here to help you make tech work. If you want to ensure the sites you develop are free from malware, you should employ the ISPProtect command line tool to regularly scan the directories housing your websites. Let's see how it's done on Rocky Linux. Log into Rocky Linux and install the EPEL repository with sudo dnf install epel-release-y. Next, install the dependencies with sudo dnf install php, php-curl, clamav-y. We're going to create a directory to house the software with sudo mkdir-p/usr/local/ISPProtect. Give that new directory the proper permissions with the following commands: sudo chown-R root:\root /usr/local/ISPProtect, sudo chmod-R 750/usr/local/ISPProtect. Change to the root user with the su command. Change into the newly created directory with cd/usr/local/ISPProtect. Download ISPProtect with the command wget http://www.isppprotect.com/download/ispp_scan.tar.gz. Unpack the archive file with tar xzf isp_scan.tar.gz. Create a link for the executable binary with the command sudo ln-s/usr/local/ispp_scan/usr/local/bin/ispp_scan. To initiate a scan, issue the command ispp_scan. You will then be asked to enter a license. Since we're using this as a trial, type "trial" and hit enter on your keyboard. The scanner will then ask for the path to scan. You should enter either the web server document root, such as /var/www, or a directory housing data for your sites. Once you've done that, hit enter to launch the scan. If you want to see more how-to videos, subscribe to our How to Make Tech Work YouTube channel. Also, check out TechRepublic for the latest news in tech.